Hey guys, how's it going? Shane with Eastman Insurance Solutions, and today we are answering the question, Shane, why does my home insurance not match what the loan is on my home or what the value is of my home? Why is there differentiations in that? And this is a fantastic question that seems to get asked and answered as the market becomes more volatile. As the market spikes, we get this question a lot. As the market decreases or tanks, we get asked this question a lot. And so to answer this question, I need to kind of explain the three differentiations. You have first reconstruction cost, or what it would cost to rebuild your home. Then we have market value, which is what it costs to buy your home. And then third, we have your loan balance, which is what is still left owed on your home. And the three really don't have anything to do with the other. Reconstruction cost. This is what your insurance is based on, and it covers the removal of debris. It covers the planning to rebuild. It covers the materials. It covers the labor, and it covers overhead. And so this figure is based off of current labor rates, current material costs, and how insurance companies kind of figure this out is there are replacement cost calculators that are used to determine what this is at the point of policy issuance. And that is what your home is based off. So if you look at your homeowner's policy under coverage A or dwelling, this amount of money is what is going to be used in the event of a total loss of your home to rebuild your house. In Vacaville, for instance, where we're at, just to throw some numbers at you, the typical reconstruction cost that we're seeing today at the end of 2019 is $205 a square foot on up to $260, $270, depending on the complexity of the home. The more custom the home, the higher the reconstruction goes. Market value, again, as of the end of 2019, the average purchase price is around $269 a square foot. So that tells you, depending on what kind of home you're buying, it actually costs less right now to build a home than it does to buy a home. And then the third, of course, is the simplest to explain, what you own on the home. What you need to look for and some things that you need to pay attention to on your insurance policy is, A, do I have the right reconstruction cost? Based on today's market at renewal, if you're getting a new policy or you're renewing, does my policy have the right coverage? And you want to start at whatever we'll call par is today. So if it costs, what would we say, 215 to 260, depending on the house, you want to start wherever par is. Let's say 225 a square foot. Then you want to ask, what is the extended replacement cost coverage that's afforded in my homeowner's insurance policy? And this is why this is crucial. Should you run into a situation like we saw in Santa Rosa 2 years ago, where there was a large fire that impacted a very large area, you run into a situation like this, the cost of reconstruction increases greatly because as demand increases, so does the cost. So most insurance policies have an additional 25%, an additional 50%, or even an additional 100% of what's called extended replacement cost coverage. And essentially what that means is the insurance company enters into a contract with you saying, hey, based on today, when we wrote this policy, this is what we assume it's going to cost. This extended replacement cost that we're offering you goes above and beyond that in the event that this number is ever deficient. So take a look at your insurance policy, and again, be in communication with your insurance agent. Your insurance agent is your friend. He is your ally. He or she is your ally. They're the person that you're going to depend on in the event of a loss to make sure that you get made whole again. So be in communication. check your insurance policies, make sure you have the right reconstruction costs, and when you do have a loss, because you will have a loss, when you do have a loss, it will make that loss that much easier because you're not fighting to get things handled in the appropriate way. So I hope that makes sense. I hope that answers your question. If there's anything that we can do, myself, my staff, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to be a resource for you. Client or not, we're here to answer your questions. Do anything we can do to help you through the insurance policy. Excuse me, the insurance process. All right, guys, have a great day. We'll see you on the next one.